Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. Police are investigating a double murder that has rocked a community in Kingston. The incident took place this morning and many are now trying to come to terms with what residents believe was a senseless act of brutality. Both persons killed were vendors. TVJ's Anthony LUGG reports.
Grief-stricken relatives and residents of Friendship Lane near Crossroads in the aftermath of the double murder. Multiple spent shells tell the tale of the gruesome gun attack that ended the lives of 65-year-old Beverly Brooks and 35-year-old O'Neill Grant, otherwise known as Boom Blast. Miss Brooks, a popular vendor in the community, was about to drink her tea when she was killed. It would have been her last supper, and now the community is gripped by fear.
I'm afraid.
Afraid for what?
Oh, you mean so we are going? Jamaica gone, no law no there. No law is in Jamaica.
The police were busy searching for clues when our news team arrived. Curious onlookers were shocked. Some believe the level of brutality has reached an all-time high.
Because every day morning time you wake up here 4, 5, 6 women and picnic and people dead. The millennium youth them nowadays them not care about we baby boomer. We are boomer, them a kill out boomer. The young people them are rise now at millennium, them name them wicked and terrible bad.
This is Miss Brooks' shop. She will be missed, said someone who knew her well. But for now, the questions continue. Many wonder what could be done to end the killings, especially those carried out by youths.
These youths are born in the 21st century's millennium youths. They are cruel, them kill woman, baby, anybody, and a rum and grabber.
Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.